Hi everyone, so I have a super simple recipe for the crock pot today. It is creamy Italian chicken, and really all you're going to need is some chicken breasts. I have two really decent sized ones right here, a can of cream of chicken condensed soup, a packet of zesty Italian salad dressing mix, a block of Philadelphia cream cheese, this is 8 ounces, and then you're going to need a cup of chicken broth, but I don't have that, so I'm using chicken powder, which is teaspoon is equal to 1 cup of chicken broth, so 1 teaspoon of this. And then you want a bag of mixed vegetables, but all I have right now is half of this, so then I'm going to add in this corn that I had left over with some peppers in it. And you don't need to add these, but I do. I'm doing a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and then just some parsley throughout. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the chicken already in the crock pot, and I have the chicken broth with a teaspoon of garlic and a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm just gonna pour that over the chicken. And then next I do the Italian seasoning packet. And then I'm going to dump the cream of chicken in. I cubed up the cream cheese just because I like it like that better. It spreads throughout nicely. Throw that in. And then I'm gonna throw in this corn. I really don't want any of the juice. And then just some parsley. I'm just gonna stir this up a little bit. I'll probably come back like an hour in, stir it up some more, just to make sure everything's cooking all together, everything's incorporated. Alright. I'll bring you over here. Okay, so that is what it is looking like right now. And I'm going to put the lid on, cook it on low for about 3.5 to 4 hours, and I'll show you what it looks like when we come back then. Okay, it's been about 3.5 hours. I'm gonna check on it. I'm gonna check the temperature.
Just step back 2 feet. Just like that.
I'm gonna give it about 30 minutes. It's not quite there. And then it should be done then. I'll make some pasta with it, put it up, and I'll show you how it looks. I just gave it a quick stir. So that's what it looks like, because the cream cheese was still a little bit cubed up. I just kind of dispersed that around. So yeah, I'm gonna let that cook for 30 more minutes. And I'm also gonna make some crescent rolls on the side too with this. So it'll be that over pasta and then crescent rolls. It's been about 20 minutes, 25 minutes later, and it is at 160 degrees. So I'm going to take these out and set them in this bowl. And then I'm going to shred them with a cake mixer. I just shredded up my chicken with the mixer. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna just dump it back in here. That out. And then I have the oven preheated to 350. I got the pasta going, and then I'm gonna get the crescent rolls in. I'm gonna stir this back up. Should be done shortly, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I got these crescent rolls right here. I actually rolled them up with some cheese inside. And then I have some cookies that I'm going to make. I can put the recipe for it in the link, the description box. And then I put the pasta in. Already I got the pasta going. And I'm just about to throw in the crescent rolls and the cookies. I'll see you in a little bit. Here's how it looks when it's done. I have it laying over pasta. There's the croissant rolls. And the cookies turned out good. So that's the recipe, and that's how it looks when it's done. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you try it out. Thank you.